Mother of five and man shot and a woman succumbed to injuries in Trinidad gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 38-year-old woman is dead and a man wounded after gunmen walked into the woman's Mausica Road home and opened fire. She has been identified as Linda Dalipsingh of Crescent Drive, Mausica Road. According to reports, the woman was at home around 7 p.m. on Sunday night with 27-year-old Romario Beggs of Waterhole when they saw a man dressed in a black walking on the side of the wall. The man walked into the yard and opened fire at Dalipsingh and Beggs. Dalipsingh was shot several times. Beggs was shot in the leg and fell to the ground. They were taken to the Arima hospital by ambulance where Beggs was treated and remained in stable condition, while the female was pronounced dead at 9:45 p.m. According to reports, the female and her friend attempted to run inside the house, but they were shot before they could make it inside. The female 11-month-old child and the child's father were inside the house at the time of the shooting but escaped unhurt. Homicide detective visited the scene and recovered 10 9mm spent shells. Police sources yesterday said based on circumstances of what transpired, they believe that the friend was actually the intended target and not the female. They said that a search has been conducted to apprehend the gunman, but so far he has not been apprehended. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.